and we are back with another DIY. You're really gonna thank me for this one because we all know that space comes at a premium. So I'm gonna be helping you create a little bit more storage in your home with a very simple hack. What we're going to do is we're going to put wheels on these wooden crates, and that's going to create a nice sliding drawer that we're going to be able to put under a bed. Now I know what you're thinking. Most of our beds out here in South Africa are very, very low to the ground. So we're going to hack that a little bit. I found these legs at Gelmar and they are super awesome because they actually expand if you unscrew them. So you can have them a little bit taller than what they are. We're going to put these on the bottom of the base set. We're going to rise the bed up, and then we're going to be able to fit these drawers underneath it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put wheels on these drawers so that they can roll in and out. And that's very, very simple. I've got cute little casters that I found from Gelmar as well. Guys, when you go and buy your casters, try and get the smallest ones you possibly can. This is not a very big job. It's not going to carry a lot of weight. We don't need heavy duty equipment here. Right, so our wheels, bear in mind in this case that these wheels don't twist around. So I need to make sure that they are pointing in the right direction from the very beginning. What we're going to do is I'm going to mark where I need to put my pilot holes in, then we're going to start drilling. Just lining them up to the corner of the box. So for those of you who have never done a DIY with us before, the pilot hole is simply going to make it a lot easier to actually get my screws into the wood, especially when you're working with something fiddly like this. Just a bit of a hole somewhere where your screw can seat in. Just like that. Right, now we screw. So that's what it looks like. And now it'll roll out from underneath your bed with not too much of an issue. I'm going to do 3 boxes like this, but more wheels, and then we'll move on to replacing the legs on the bed. So this is my spare bedroom, and this is the bed that I need to modify. As you can see, it's very low down to the ground and there's no way I'm going to get my drawers on underneath it. However, it's a very, very simple process. We're going to flip it up. We're going to unscrew the legs that are currently on it, and we're going to replace them with those nice tall legs that we got from Gelmar. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this might be a little bit tricky depending upon the bed, but the idea is that we want to get at least 3 screws into the frame of our base set. So you're going to have a look where it's nice and solid and there is a good piece of wood that you can get your screw into. Alright, so all 4 of our legs are on. I'm going to flip it over and then it's the moment of truth. So here we go, guys. I've got my drawers, they're on their wheels, and the bed has been lifted. I'm going to use this extra storage to pack away my winter goodies, but you can use it for whatever, be it shoes or accessories. It's a fantastic way to create a bunch of extra storage in your house. So look here, my drawer goes in beautifully under the bed, and apart from that, it looks fantastic. So I hope that you guys are going to try this at home because it really does take about half an hour and you've got it all done. And I really hope that you guys will be back with me very soon to come and do more DIYing.
For more DIY solutions, visit Gelmar in-store or browse online.